Okay, this is the end of nano coating. From left to right, it looks acceptable. Second one going to the right, this looks good. The stranded looks very good. It's a nice matte. The next one has a shine to it. I guess it'll be acceptable. And the next two, I believe, look the best. The matte finish, no reflection of light coming off of them, and they will all go into these pre-configured jars where I made a little bracket here, that goes on, held down by a rubber band. How that goes, and then the copper foil goes under the rubber band, and I have a little hole punched into it to attach my alligator clip. Same thing for the zinc, which is inside this 1 pint ball bottle. I think these are 80 cents a piece when you buy a dozen. But then the shipping is like $5 or $6, and then the tax is another $2. It adds up quite rapidly, and it's all going to be part of this apparatus, which I can tune in with all these knobs, the voltage and current I want. This is for a gang test. I just invented a word. A gang test. So I can make 5 tests simultaneously. Now this is going to be the special GANS for the CV. Each bottle will have to be carefully analyzed as I add the salt with the trusty voltmeter, or ammeter, even though it says microammeters. The scale is switchable to what I want to switch it to. Somebody made this, but it's really good. What else can I say? There's the trusty power supply, an old analog power supply, very old, about 50 years old. And I've cleaned off the work area pretty much. So now I can go forward with this experiment, well, more than an experiment, of what is the quality of the CV virus killing GANS. We're using 2 kinds of strips in here: copper, zinc, water, and approximately 200 to 300 milligrams of salt. And the salt I use is Morton coarse kosher salt, which was cheap. It was like $2 for 2 pounds. And we'll see how it goes. This is all part of a learning process. Okay, that is all for this video. And today is the March 23rd, I think. Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, I know that much. And 2020. And we'll see how this all goes.